Hello friends, I am Nicole with Caleb's Mom Shop, and today I am going to do probably a three-part series. This will be one of three probably, because again, I'm a mom to a toddler, and the only time I have to do my crafting is when Caleb is sleeping. So today, right now, is nap time, so we will do part one, and in part one, I'm going to be attaching this hat to my swag. In my previous video, I was originally planning on using this top hat, but the design went in a little different direction, so I want to get him into a wreath. I've already attached, because I was really unsure how I was going to get this to stay on my swag base. I didn't want to just glue it because it is a little heavy. So what I did is I went ahead and with glue, these little squared pegs, you see there's like a hole. You can use these to attach signs. That's what I use these for. And you just peel the back, like the back of this, and it sticks. I like to glue it also. It just gives it a little extra security measure so it doesn't fall off. So I did that with these. 1, 2, 3, and then I went ahead and I just weaved some pipe cleaners, and I'm going to hope and pray that it stays. No, it will. That I can get it on the swag. That's what I'm worried about. So this will be take 2 of this video because I put this on before and it didn't look right. It was all floppy, and so let's hope I can get it on this time. So I want it like this. Okay, let me see. There we go. So I'm going to start with the back one, I thought, and I'm basically going to find the center of the swag, which is kind of the spine of it, because I want each pipe cleaner to attach to it so it's being held securely. So. I'm going to weave this down the center of it. Okay. And again, all the supplies I am using will be on the description of this video, so check that out. And if you like this, please subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate it. I love sharing all these tips and tricks with you all, and I hope you guys are learning in the process. So let's see. So I want them like this. See? So I found the center, and I'm going to just tie that. Perfect, yes, much better than the first take. Now I'll go for the second one, and again, I'm going to go through the center of it and look for that, the spine of the base. And again, if you guys like this video, please hit like, comment below. I'd appreciate it. Now with the third one. Just really tie it really tight. tied it too tight. That's why it's encaved. So I don't think I need all three of these. Oh, I'm ruining my shirt. Because that's how I want it. I don't want it too flat, so I need to. There we go. I was pulling it in too tight. There we go. There we go. Yeah, I was pulling it in too tight. I ruined my shirt. So there we go. See, there's a little tab. So I think that's going to be fun. And then I'm going to just, on the next video 2, I will do the bow, and then followed by video 3, which I will do the greenery. Again, for me, I have to split these up in 3 separate videos. I think that might be helpful for everyone. That way you don't have to sit and listen to me ramble on for like an hour. But, or if you like that, you can watch all 3 all at the same time, back to back to back. But again, my name is Nicole. I am the owner and founder of Caleb's Mom Shop. Caleb is my son, in case I have not disclosed that. He will be 3 in just a few short days. And so yeah, so I make beautiful wreaths during his nap time or bedtime. So I hope you guys enjoyed this short tutorial on how to attach this cute little top hat. And come back for parts 2 and 3 as we finish this beautiful holiday swag wreath. All right, you guys have a good one, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a good one. Bye-bye.